Standard 4th, Subject English, Chapter Responses. Welcome children to our English class. Today's topic is about responses. Can anyone tell me what you mean by a response?
If anyone tells you something or asks you something and you react on it, that reaction is known as response.
Yes, that is correct. In our lesson, we will learn about different kinds of responses. See the first picture. One child is painting a vase and his mother gives response by saying, "How sweet!" In the next picture, the vase has slipped from the child's hands and he says, "Oh no!" That is his response. But when his mother sticks the vase, he feels happy and says, "Great!" And when he gifts it to his grandmother, she is surprised and says, "What a surprise!" That is her response. In the second picture, some girls are celebrating their success by saying, "We won the match!" And their friend responded by saying, "Great!" On the other hand, the next team lost the match, and when they told their friend that, "We lost the match," she responded by saying, "How sad!" In the third picture, we can see the elder boy is bullying the younger boy, and a girl interferes by saying, "Excuse me?" The boy says, "Yes." She tells them, "Our teacher has called you." And the boy is afraid and says, "Oh no!" That is his response. So children, have you seen what are the different ways of responding to any action or saying? Shall we enact some in our class?
Yes, ma'am, we will try. Your speech was very nice. Oh, thanks.
It was great. With this, come to the end of this session. Goodbye.